Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks Desktop for payroll tax setup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin activating QuickBooks Desktop for payroll tax setup, launch your QuickBooks Desktop application. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Employees tab located in the top menu. Select Get Payroll Updates to ensure you have the latest version of payroll updates. Once the updates are downloaded, click on Preferences under the Edit menu. In the Preferences window, locate and select Payroll and Employees from the list on the left side. Choose the Company Preferences tab to access the payroll settings. Here, select your payroll subscription option and click Activate. You may be prompted to enter your activation code. Locate this code from your purchase confirmation email or service agreement. Input the code and click Next to proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your payroll service, including entering any necessary information about your business. Review all details to ensure accuracy, then click Finish. To set up your payroll taxes, return to the Employees tab and select Manage Payroll Items. Here, click Input all relevant information for the tax items you need to set up. Once complete, ensure you save each payroll tax item you have added. After completing the setup, you can return to the main dashboard. To test your setup, run a payroll preview to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If any errors arise, revisit the payroll preferences to ensure all information has been input correctly. Now your QuickBooks Desktop is activated and ready for payroll tax management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.